Guys, how's it going? It's going good over here. It's going real good. I'm getting into my groove. I'm getting into a routine, and that's a good thing. This girl needs routine. Otherwise, my ADHD just goes, psh. I've missed you. It seems like it's been a while since I did a video, even though it was last Friday. So strange. But anyway, I'm glad to be here today, and I am happy to be dreaming up some fall decorating for this table you see behind me. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I've gathered some items and we're just gonna have fun and plug and play. So if that sounds like fun, join me. I probably should mention that I did state that I was gonna go more muted with my fall decorating this year, which is true. However, you guys, there's a video coming up where I completely destroyed my basement. I broke out all Christmas and fall boxes. Oh my gosh. Can you say construction zone? Hazardous zone? It was just a huge mess everywhere. And as I was taking out all my fall decor, I thought, oh, I've got to decorate with that. I forgot about that. So I came up with this. Upstairs will be a more muted, reeled back kind of a fall, and down below in the basement will be a traditional fall look and feel with the brighter colors. So for those of you who like the more muted, and for those of you that like the more traditional, you're gonna get the best of both worlds here at TBTS, Traditions by the Seasons. All right, so this is a cabinet that I purchased from Ashley Furniture years and years ago, but I love it because it's bright, it's white, it's chippy, it's distressed. And I don't know why. I love things that look a little old. It's like it tells a story. So I think what I'm gonna do first is start with my focal point and then work my way out. Obviously, there's not a lot of space to work with, but for me, it all starts with a focal point. I love utilizing trays, whether it be a metal tray, a wood tray, a woven tray. These act as a great focal point. Dig them out of your stash. They literally are so fun to decorate with. I'm telling you, you'll love it. Also too, it's a great space filler. This is going right in the center. Next, I'm gonna add this large rustic wood lantern, and I took the glass out of it. Love the look. Then I don't have to worry about it getting dusty and having to wipe down the glass all the time. Who wants to be a slave to that? So anyway, if you like this lantern, you can usually find these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. I've seen them there multiple times. In different styles too. You can see one back there, that's a different style, but very similar. I'm gonna place this in the tray. So do you see how the tray is a nice contrast with the lighter wood? It sort of makes it pop. Now what I'm gonna add is this rustic candle holder. It just goes perfect with a log home. And the old Liz would have sat this in the lantern and wrapped greenery or something around it. I'm not gonna do that this year. I am going to challenge myself to keep it a little bit more scaled back, you know, for me. Who are we kidding? To that candle holder, I've got this pretty LED candle. We're just gonna set it in there. I just love the glow of a candle, especially at night or on a gloomy day. It's just kind of nice to have the glow. It really does make a space feel warm and cozy, doesn't it? It's still August, and as you can see in my fireplace, I have the glow of my LED flameless flickering candles. And it's just so cozy. I love it. Well, gosh darn it. I said I was going to tone it back and reel it in. Who are we kidding? Look what I just went and found. I have this beautiful berry wreath. This is a wreath I got at Home Goods. I can't even tell you how many years ago, but it is literally one of the first things I drag out of my bins every single year. It's so pretty. What's not to love? It just looks like fall. I'm gonna sit this right here. Don't think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's see how well you guys know me. What is something I always have in just about every room that I'm obsessed with? If you guessed a rooster, you're right. You know me well. Check out Mr. Rooster. I just love him. He's so cute, and he goes well with the white cabinet. So, but with the colors there, I think that is gonna make him pop. Let's place him. So in looking at Mr. Rooster, I thought, oh, you would look so cute dressed up with a mustardy brown silk bow. Kind of just like, you know, tied here and then dropped. It would really dress him up. Or to make him look a little bit more modern, since I'm adding hints of black here and there, just a simple black bow or ribbon just kind of tied and then dropped, you know, like right here, just real thin. I don't know. Okay, next, to balance the height of Mr. Rooster, I have this vase. I got this at Home Goods for $24.99. I like it because it's, let me see if I can focus. Can you guys see the speckles on it now? I don't know, it's different for me, and I thought, let's add fall to the inside of it. Okay, let's just say these have seen better days, but I love them. I don't know, they're long, so I thought, hey, maybe they'll work in this little vessel. Look at the little fuzzy brown things at the end. It looks like fall to me. So let's try to add them into that little vessel. I hate to say this, but I kind of like it messy and sloppy. It looks like I went out into the yard and I picked 3 big stems and just plopped it in this vase. El Natural. So I like the brown in it because it's sort of picking up some of the brown in the wreath, and it kind of goes together. Now, because I'm in a log home, we've got to bring in a little bit of a rustic element. I thought these would be perfect. It's wood and iron. Check them out. We're gonna add these, but we're not putting candles on them. We're gonna add some fall touches. Stay tuned. I shared these with you, I don't know, a few weeks ago. I got these at Home Goods, and I thought, oh, these would look pretty up here. Let me place the other one. I got to figure out if I want to put something in them. So I have some dried floral picks, and I got these at Home Goods, and I thought I would cut them down and just kind of put a couple little sprigs in each vase to kind of tie into the green, the pretty green color that's in that wreath. Okay, so I liked the stems that were in that vase or vessel, but they were just slopping over too much into this, and I really like that look. So I ran down to, I was digging in all kinds of boxes, guys, trying to find my florals. I have some options. Let's see what looks best in this. Let's play with some options. So all of these need to be fluffed, but these are nice. These could work. I've got 2 of them. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't know, I kind of like it. It's like it picks up all the colors that are in my wreath right there. Kind of like it, kind of digging it. Or I have these. They're cute little pumpkins on them. Let's try it. I don't know, I think this might be too small in scale. I don't know. I can tell I don't like it. Nope. I think they need to be fluffed out. That's why I wasn't liking it. So I'm kind of just bending them to make it look more full. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cute. I don't know. It's like the little pumpkins sort of pick up the little berries that are in that wreath, so it sort of goes together. Check it out. I also have these. These are really pretty for fall. It sort of picks up the orange that's in the berry wreath and the green color. These might complement the orange vase as well. Shall we try this? Let's try these. Really like this, but I do have 2 more florals to try. Let's see what looks best. Is exactly what I was looking for, but I can only find 1. I'm gonna have to dig around more in my boxes, but wouldn't this be pretty? Love. So I found these. These aren't as beat up as those other ones. So I was thinking, what if I add it to that? The colors, I know, you guys are saying, Liz, less is more, tone it down, stop. I know, it's so hard to rein myself in, but I'm gonna try this. Why? Because it's so me. That's the winner. I love it. Now I feel like ordering a faux fur beigey brown throw blanket to kind of tie this all together. You know what? As I'm looking at this, I have to learn to reel it in and go, Liz, it's a bit much. As much as I love the dried florals in this, with this, it all together, it's competing with each other. So I think it's perfectly fine to let these stand on their own. I'm learning. Well, as much as I hate to admit it, I think this is a better look. The little floral picks are not competing with that. It's not too much here, it's not too much there, it's just right. And I love the reflective pop of autumn color. It kind of ties in with this, it ties in with that. And now I can say, done. Well, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to give you some ideas of ways in which to decorate for fall. I will see you guys all Friday. I'm not sure what we'll be working on, but yeah, stay tuned. I'm so spur of the moment. I'm like, yeah, let's work on this today. And then I'll change my mind. I'm like, no. I'm like, squirrel. That's my personality. So you never know what you're gonna get with me. But I will see you then. Love you all so much. And thank you for all your comments, you guys. I've been so busy. I just haven't even been able to respond. So please forgive me. Know, though, that I appreciate you all so much. When you stop by, you take the time to watch little old me and leave a comment. I appreciate it. Literally goes right here. Okay, I'll see you Friday. Mwah.